Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Harun Reddy Tech for You. In previous video, we have discussed about workbook keys, formatting keys, action keys and ribbon keys. Today we are going to discuss about navigation keys. So friends, if you don't want to miss my videos, please do subscribe my channel Harun Reddy Tech for You. So let's start. Now I am in a worksheet sample 2 and I have created a student marks table. Now I will click on a serial number 1 and I want to move around the table without help of mouse. So I am going to use my arrow keys. Suppose if I want to move right side of a cell, I will click right arrow key. Here we are. I am moving towards right side. The same way if I want to move left side of a table, I will click left arrow key. Here we are. The same way if I want to move bottom of a column, I will click down arrow key. Here we are. And I want to go top of a column, I use up arrow key. Here we are. But every time these arrow keys will not work. For example, I will edit a name. I want to edit a name Vijay to Vijaya. So I will press function F2 key and I will add a. Now if I want to move to the right or left, I will click left arrow key. It's not working. I will try to click right arrow key. It's not working. This time I use a tab key to move to the next cell and shift plus tab key to move right. So I am going to press tab. Here we are. It's working. This picture show how we can move to the next cell in a worksheet. If you want to move one cell to the left or right, you can use left or right arrow key. If you want to move one cell up or down, you can use up or down arrow key. If you want to move to the next cell, you can use tab. If you want to move previous cell, you can use shift plus tab. Till now we have seen how to move one cell to the left, right, top or bottom. Now we are going to see how to move to the bottom, top of a column or right and left of a row. So let us start. uh, Presently I am in a cell C7 which is Mishra. Now I want to know the total of a Mishra. So I doesn't need to click right arrow and go to the corner of a table. I will do simply I will use a shortcut key, control plus right arrow. If I press control plus right arrow, here we are. I got the total. Now if I want to come back to the starting cell of a row, again I will click control plus left arrow key. Here we are. I'm back. Now if I want to move bottom of a column, I will use control plus down button. Here we are. Now I want to move to the top of a column. I will use control plus top button. Sorry, control plus up key. Here we are. Now if I want to go to the bottom right corner of a table, I will click control plus end. Here we are. We are now in the bottom right end of a table. Now if I want to come to the starting cell of a row, I will click home button. Here we are. And if I want to go to the beginning of a worksheet, I will click control plus home button. Here we are. This picture shows how we can move to the end of a column by using left and right arrow keys. Suppose if I want to go to the end of a row, I will click Control plus right to the right end of a row, and if I want to go to the left end, I will click Control plus left. The same way, if I want to go top of a column, I will click Control plus up, and I want to go to the bottom, I will click Control plus down arrow. If I want to go bottom rightmost corner of a table, I will click Control plus end. If I want to come at the starting of a current row, I will press home button. If I want to go to the beginning of a worksheet, I will click Control plus home button. Now if I want to move around the worksheet, suppose if I want to go down of a worksheet, I can click page down button. Here we are. If I want to go upside of a worksheet, I can click page up button. Here we are. And if I want to move to the right side of a worksheet, I can use Alt plus page down button. So I'm going to press Alt plus page down button. Here we are. Now if I press Alt plus page up button, it will move towards the left side. Here we are. We can also move to the next worksheet. For example, presently I am in a student data. Now I want to go to the next worksheet, is a student details. So I will click Control plus page up button to move from student data to student details. So I am going to click Control plus page up button. Here we are. Now I am in student details worksheet. Now if I want to go back to the student data, I will click Control plus page down button. Here we are. This picture shows how we can move to the next screen or a worksheet. Suppose if I want to move towards down of a worksheet, I can click page down button. If you want to go upside of a worksheet, you can click page up. The same way, if you want to move right or left side of a worksheet, you can click Alt place page up and down button. If you want to move next or previous worksheet, you can press Control plus page up button or Control plus page down button. You can also zoom in and zoom out with the use of Control and mouse wheel up and mouse wheel down. Thank you. Keep practicing.